Den Outdoors unveiled a do-it-yourself A-frame cabin kit that can be assembled in 3 days. Unlike most cabin and tiny home makers that sell fully built units, New York-based Den Outdoors takes the approach of selling both construction plans and do-it-yourself kits with all of the necessary parts. In line with these two product types, the A-frame cabin's plans can be purchased for $99, and the full DIY kit starts at $21,000. According to Den founder Mike Romanovich in an email interview with Business Insider, the company and its cabin kit has seen a huge swell of traffic and interested customers. What's propelling the product's popularity is that we've launched something that has exactly the right characteristics that people want, Romanovich wrote in the email interview with Business Insider. It's beautiful, fast to build, and accessibly priced relative to other options in the market.